Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. This will be part 3 in our series of tutorials on the Kentucky Virtual Library. Today's focus will be on elementary students. Let's get started. In your browser, you'll want to go to mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click Online Resources. Then scroll down to click on the picture of Kentucky Virtual Library. As with the previous tutorials, I'll be using the orange tabs at the top for navigation. Today we're going to focus on for K-12 students. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then elementary. On this page we have a couple of different sources for encyclopedias, a few links for articles, and several listed in the More section. Let's check out Britannica School Elementary. When prompted for your username and password, the username is Muhlenberg_public, and the password changes periodically, so be sure to contact us for the newest information. Once you've got that entered, click Login. The most often used portion of this website will be the Explore section. You've got articles, images and videos, and biographies. Let's check out articles. From here you can choose another category. Let's go with places. You can go through the list as is, or you can use the links on the left to get something more specific. This site gives a very kid-friendly version of an encyclopedia entry. Notice at the top where it says reading level is defaulted to number 1. You can choose to go up to reading level number 2, and also reading level 3, depending on your needs. You can also choose to play. It will read the highlighted area for you. You get pictures and videos on the left, along with related articles. On the right-hand side, there are buttons to easily use to bookmark, print, email, cite, zoom in and decrease the font, translate to another language, as well as share it to your Google Classroom. These features are also featured on the upper reading levels. Let's check out a different encyclopedia. The Funk and Wagnall's New World Encyclopedia is the same format as what you have seen on other encyclopedias from the previous tutorials. As you type in to search, it will build in results for you underneath it. Let's search for amphibians. Since this resource is specifically for elementary students, you'll notice that there are not nearly as many search results as there would be for a typical encyclopedia search. Let's go ahead and check on one of the articles here. Here you have the full article that you can read with lots of pictures. You can have it read to you. You've got your table of contents on the left, and also the tools on the right to help you out. Let's close this out to check out some more resources for elementary students. In the article section, I would recommend checking out Explora for elementary schools. The layout of this site is perfect for elementary school students. Let's check out geography. You can see this is a very similar format to the other encyclopedias. You have the article with table of contents on the left and your tools on the right. As with the other encyclopedia searches, don't forget you can do an advanced search. In the More section, the eBooks K-8 collection gives you a list of mostly fiction books in these different genres and subjects. Be sure to use the filters on the left to get a more accurate result. This is the same format as with the other encyclopedia searches. You've got your table of contents and the tools on the right. Going back to our list, let's check out School Center. Here, underneath the elementary school section, we see that we have math and English skills improvements. Another great resource for elementary students is the Tumble Book Library. This site gives great interactive ways to read and listen to stories. Some of them are even just videos. Be sure to join me next time as I will go over the resources more in depth for middle school students. Thanks for watching.